Hey everybody, just want to do a quick review for the Solo Stove Pie Oven, which I really like. Just gonna come right out and say it. This oven has been great. I know I mentioned before that I had a pellet oven. You have these little pellets that you drop at the back of the oven, and they end up going flying everywhere. They're really hard to manage. I just wasn't happy with it, and I was really looking far and wide for a wood-fired with whole wood pieces oven that was affordable. And it was a decent size, and that was very difficult to find. I know there are some out there, but the price point is a little bit more than I wanted to spend at this time. So the Solo Stove Pie just really fit the bill, and I have to say it's a really great oven. As you can see, we changed the setup. I'm not inside the house anymore, and we have our table where we can prepare our pies, which really helps. And then we have a stand that I bought for the Solo Stove. It was a little bit expensive, but I think it's worth it. I gotta say, it fits the oven. It's custom designed for the oven. It's got nice shelving, which really helps, and holds your propane tank for whenever you're ready to use propane for the gas option. I also got the Solo Pie shelter, which I think is also worth every penny. It truly is waterproof. I leave this guy outside, and it gets rained on all the time here in New York, and it really is waterproof. Whenever I remove the cover, there's never any water damage or extra moisture or water inside. So I really recommend it. So I do use this pockets over here, which come in handy as well. I do put the handle for the back door in there. I leave it in there. And there's also an attachment for the shelter to attach your gas propane gas attachment in the back. And as you can see, so there's another piece that goes back here when we're using the propane, the gas attachment, and then you can still close it. So the oven itself, stone is great. I was a little bit concerned because some reviews said that the stone was a little bit thin compared to some of the other wood fire ovens. I haven't noticed not able to hold a nice high temp. Gives a nice char to the pizza. It stays well above 700 very easily. I did notice that as the flame dies down, the stone will cool fairly quickly. So you have to sort of manage your fire pretty well. But I haven't given up on it yet. I think we can maintain a high temp, using different techniques and just with practice in the future. But I have to say, it cooks the pizza really nicely. It really does. And I don't mind this patina effect that's happening. This oven's clean right now, but if you're concerned with that, you can get some stainless steel cleaner and wipe it down. You see there are vents here, there are vents on the back, and it helps with the airflow, and it keeps the flame moving nicely over the pizza. There's a dome shape on the inside, on the top. What that does is allows the flames to come very evenly and nicely over the pies. So it's really good. It's very easy to take the door on and off in the back, and the burn pot, the fuel grate is great. It holds a good amount of wood. I haven't maxed it out yet. There is a limit to how much wood you can put in here. As it's burning, the ash is going to start building, and maybe we'll do that in a video. We'll see what is the max, like how many pies can you make with wood fire in this oven. But I have to say, so far, I give it an A. Maybe not an A plus. Maybe there could be a couple things that could be improved as far as like stone, the thickness of the stone, but it cooks pies really well. So I'm going to give it an A. All right. See you soon.